Hello friends, let us solve one example of a bisection method. So find the positive root of x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 correct up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is a cubic equation, and one more thing is we need to take care is about positive root. It may have negative root also. So let f of x is x cube minus 2x minus 5. Now the first step is to find out two numbers where the two numbers a and b such that fa and fb are of opposite signs. So that we need to do. So let us begin from 1. So let us find f of 1. F of 1, so here we keep x is equal to 1. So that is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 5, and so that is nothing but minus 6. So this is negative. We may write like this. Then let us find f of 2. So f of 2 is 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5, and you can simplify this. You will get minus 1. So still it is negative. Let us find f of 3. So that is 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5, and so this is 16. So it is positive, and so now we have two numbers a and b where fa and fb are of opposite signs. So we have 2 and 3. So it is like this. So these two numbers 2 and 3 are such that f2 and f3 are of opposite signs. So that means say suppose 2 here, 3 here. So like the graph may cross x axis at some point in two between say at some point in the interval 2 to 3. That means there is a root in the interval 2 to 3. So we can say that therefore there is a root in the interval 2 to 3. Okay, so this 2 and 3 uh, are the endpoints of this interval, and the root lies in this. So now let us find the next step, and that is nothing but the midpoint of this interval 2 and 3. So we may call like this. So let x1 equal to 2 plus 3 by 2, and so that is nothing but 2.5. So somewhere here, say 2.5 is there. Okay, and we need to find out the value of the function at 2.5. So now let us find f of 2.5. So that is 2.5. So you use the calculator now 2.5 cube minus 2 into 2.5 minus pi. You use the calculator like this. You can write directly also the value of f of 2.5, and that is nothing but 5.625, and so it is positive. So what does it mean? So it is like this. So now the root lies between positive and negative value of f. So this is the latest value 2.5, and then we proceed and see where the negative value, and that is at the 2, here at 2. So that means now the root lies between 2 and 2.5. So this part has gone. This part has gone. So root lies between these 2 and 2.5. So therefore root, you can say that root lies in the interval 2 and 2.5. 2 and 2.5. Okay. Now let us find next step, like x2. So midpoint of this. So that is 2 plus 2.5 by 2, and that is nothing but 2.25. So slowly we are moving towards the root. This is exact root. Now we need to find out. So these are the our answer, and we are refining our answer like this. So now we find f of 2.25. So you use calculator, and you will see that it is 1.8906. So that is also positive. So somewhere f of 2.25 like this, 2.25. So now the root, so this part has gone. So now the root lies between this 2 and 2.5. So this is the latest value, 2.25. So you can say that root lies in now 2.25. So it is the positive. Where is the next, means the very first negative value? So this is positive, no, this is positive, no, this is negative. So again this 2 will take. So root lies in 2 to 2.25. Okay. Then next step is, so still we are refining the root. So 2 plus 2.25 by 2, and that is nothing but 2.125. Okay. Now let us find the value at 2.125, the value of the function. So again you use the calculator, and you will see that it is 0.3457. So still it is positive. So somewhere here 2.125. So still it is positive. So again we can say that uh, root lies in 2 to 2.125. Okay. Next step. So again we take the midpoint, 2 plus 2.125 divide by 2, and that is nothing but 2.0625. Okay. So now we can also find the value at this point. So f of 2 point, so it is positive. Okay, so it is now 2.0625. Use the calculator, like 2.0625 cube minus 2 into 2.0625 minus pi, and you will find minus 0.3513, and that is negative. So this is negative. So you need to take the 2, this is latest value, and the positive is here. So it is this one. So now you can say that therefore root lies in 2.125, 2.0625. So this is 2.0625 to 2.125. So now we can find the next step is the again midpoint 2.0625 plus 2.125 and divide by 2. So you can use the calculator also. So that is 2.09375. So we are refining our answer, approximate values. So then next is find out f of 2.09375. You use the calculator and you will find that this is negative of 0.0089. So it is negative. So again you can see that this value negative and this is also negative. So this is again positive. So root lies in this 2 point. So you can say that root lies in 2.09375 to 2.125. So again we can take the midpoint and that is nothing but x6. It is 2.09375 plus 2.125 divided by 2 and that is nothing but 2.1097375 and again we find the value of this f of 2.1097375. You use the calculator and you will find this as 0.1668 and so it is positive. So the next step is this is positive and this one is negative. So now the root lies in 2.0 root lies between 2.109375 and 2.09375. Okay, so 2.09375 and 2.109375 and so you will have the next step is like x7 that is 2.09375 plus 2.109375 and divide by 2 and so that is 2.10156. So now you can see that here the roots are almost similar. You can see that with two decimal digits. Okay, so you can now stop here and you can say that therefore the approximate positive root is 2.10 because it is correct up to two decimal places. So 2.10 is your answer. Thank you.